Hello you guys, I decided to come on over and just show you guys how I unravel my twists. I absolutely love these twists. They have got to be one of my favorite hairstyles just because you get two in one. I've actually been wearing these twists like this, but my birthday's coming up and I decided that I wanted a little bit more volume. So what I do is I actually twist them into my hair. Well, I actually crochet them into my hair, and then once a week I take them all down, wash my hair, and put them back up. So I literally just put them back up today, and since my birthday is this week, I decided for the bigger hair I would go ahead and unravel them and show you guys the reveal, or at least just the twist out, just because I absolutely love it. Now if you want more details on this hair, I am pretty sure I have already done a video. I'll put it in the card so you guys can see the type of hair and also how I actually installed this particular hair, but it's one of my favorites. But I hope you guys are doing well. How are you guys doing? Leave me a couple comments in the bottom. If nothing else is new, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I actually do have quite a bit of content. A little bit will be more about me chatting a little bit more in 2018, just because I want to change the direction slightly of my channel. I'll still be doing hair things and review things, but I also feel like it's important to dive deeper into my platform and just kind of commune a little bit more with you guys on things that really matter in life, as opposed to things that are just superficial when it comes to hair and makeup and the products that we use as consumers. So anyway, this is the result. I absolutely love it. I love this hair. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and go ahead and click the videos and make sure that you leave me a comment, say hi. I missed you guys.